Okay.
Yeah, the greatest Mama Lawo of our time, according to her. She says she pay Ned Nwoko wife, Regina.
Yes.
10 million naira.
Yes.
To take follow her to take help her
advertise
her Jaruma product, chocolates, the waist bead and all those things.
Yes.
But say Regina no follow the agreement wey they sign and to am. Meanwhile, Regina they come outside, they talk say she no dey support of the kind things wey Jaruma say make she do, but until you collect money.
Yes.
And make we come take am backward to when some kind videos come out where Regina herself posts of herself and Jaruma for her own house, and Regina mama even dey there, wey be say she and Jaruma dey play, they even say, oh, see my chocolate, I got it for 10 million
yes,
naira.
and Jaruma they show us $100 notes.
The rest are they play
$10,000. She they show us the money. Say Regina Daniels pay her cash 5 million naira. Then Regina Daniels show us the beads.
Exactly.
Say she buy 3 beads. Each bead na 500,000, 500,000. And I hear the voice of Oga
for the background. They
Oga enter the parlor. So but Regina don't come outside. Say in last post now. Say he want explain to people now where they wonder why her husband take go lock Jaruma. He say he not they use Jaruma products.
Yes, because people come they accuse her, because around that same period where she and Jaruma come they be like say they come be 5 and 6, they flow together.
Yes.
Something happened for Regina family.
Okay.
You know, say she na 6th wife. One of the wives of Ned, that is I think the Ethiopian wife.
Okay.
Come put notice out there, say she and her husband no dey together again, say they don't separate, she don't go a separate way, the man too don't go a separate way. People come begin to they say what Jaruma cannot do does not exist. They come they tie that her friendship to wetin happen. Say Regina don't use one of Jaruma product, the Kayanmata,
and it can't be like say Jaruma too no mind.
Jaruma
she like the adverts
on the thing, she can't write
so
on the glory.
He help her to sell her product. Say, oh, but that means my product they work.
Thank you.
Now Regina no happy.
Exactly.
Regina come out to talk, say you they use the product what they happen for my family, they push your market. They sell your market. Exactly. And I say true, you give me something and I use them and it make my husband and wife waka
come out.
Meanwhile, Regina mentioned say I know they use that product, and why as you they say make I advertise your product, I know to like some things where you say make I talk, I know they use the product. My question be say we see a video before then where Regina Daniels pay 10,000. We get the voice clip for here. We'll go play them. Inside this particular voice clip, Regina Daniels been day her house for her parlor. Jaruma they show us $10,000.
Excited, they play.
She happy. They show us $10,000 where Regina just pay her for her chocolates and 3 waist beads. Will be 1.5 million each, now 500K. And we hear man voice where we believe say na Oga Regina husband, like say just enter the parlor and Jaruma greet him. So, make we hear this. Some of you are going to hear them, but make we listen to this clip again. Make we for really understand what thing they happen.
Hey guys, you know I have been calling Queen J for about 2 months, more than 2 months, and she just picked my call and came with my parcel.
Guys, billionaire wife, oh, she paid in cash $10,000. 5 million. $10,000 she paid in cash.
Check out my Jaruma chocolates. Just check this out. Yeah. Check it out and check out my
waist beads. That's 1.5 million, man.
Each 500,000.
Yes. Pretty big, sir. I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What did you do?
Sultan? Oh, I just came, sir.
From Dubai?
Yes, sir.
When you come back?
Thank you, sir. I haven't tasted it.
How is your husband?
He's fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go pause some here because we need to just go sell 1 or 2 markets. When we come back, we'll go continue from where we stop. We're now done to hear whether they talk about 3 waist beads, 1.5 million, 500K for each one, Jaruma and Regina Daniels. Now, TruTalk with day, Ada Dum Dum Day with me, no touch your radio when they come back. Say that day here to join us on top this matter. We discuss. We talk about Ned Nwoko. We talk about Regina Daniels, and we talk about Jaruma and the Digbasbos where they happen on top social media. We try to understand the kitty kata where they happen. I've been playing the voice note of when Jaruma carry some her chocolates and whiz beads. Come see Regina Daniels for Inside the House. We'll go play on the remaining clip. But before we continue on top that voice note, Information Minister gets announcement for us.
Yes, Father, come again with another. We'll get information. My good country, good people, open your ear well because this one they come from Fair Banking. As Fair Banking don't come up on top of Fair Money Microfinance Bank like this, then they give you opportunity for you to fee bank for free. You go get plenty things when you bank from them. Make I tell you, instead of you to go bank, go stand for queue from morning till night. Sake of say you want collect loan, you carry person go drop as collateral. Sake of say you want pay some kind bills, you can't run kitty kata kata. You don't know where you want even see this money. Carry yourself now, if you know say you get Android phone, Shey, go download the Fair Money Microfinance Bank app on top your Google Play Store. Make you for free experience fair banking for all the things what you need to do. Make I tell you, you feel access a quick loan from 1 million naira carry go reach 5 million naira for just 5 minutes. You just fill in everything and then the money go just enter your account. You feel use their banking app, pay plenty bills. You go feel enjoy plenty free seamless bank transfer. We even reach 100 free transfer every month. Just imagine say just they transfer money every day and they know the commercial for your account. And if you can't even come buy airtime and data call, you go still collect extra 3% on top of that amount where you buy. And then make us tell you say you will get a zero transaction fee. All these things they happen on top Fair Money. So right about now, sharply make you go download the Fair Money Microfinance Bank app. Make you for free enjoy everything we didn't get for you.
Back on top the matter, we're going to let you know, say we're live on top of our Facebook. Just go Wazobia FM Facebook page. You go fit join us to see what's happening inside Studio Live. So Mako go back, Mako play finish the voice clip where they show where Jaruma been there for house, Regina Daniels' house, and when person where we hear in voice where we suspect to be Oga Ned Nwoko be enter also follow greet Jaruma. They talk about the $10,000 where Regina Daniels just pay for Jaruma chocolate and 5 whiz beads of 1.5 million naira.
Back to our matter. Let me finish my 500k in naira for this for my waist.
Yeah, so
and they're about three.
Yeah. Yours, baby.
Mine.
Yeah, that's 1.5 million for the 3 waist.
And then we have the beautiful Jaruma chocolates for the perfect boxing. Oh my god.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, you can see it says Jaruma Empire, love, sex, chocolates, aphrodisiac manufacturers since 2010. So beautiful. You see even here it says Jaruma, sex, bonding, intimacy, passion, and love. So yeah, I'm taking all my billionaire friends back to Access Bank. I'm moving everybody to Access. All the billionaires, I don't know, Jaruma knows everybody in Nigeria. All the billionaires know Jaruma in Nigeria. So, Shey, I'm moving everybody. Shey, you will come Access Bank with me.
I pay for you, PJ.
Alright, thank you, Nina. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Finally, I don't forget this one. This one is going home. This is yours.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
Guys, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
This is so beautiful.
This na TruTalk with Chiboy for 95.1 Wazobia FM.
Some questions come now. Say number one, Daniel's talk on top social media on talk say he know they use those products and waiting the cost in vex now because Jaruma they try to make people feel say now she cost waiting make one problem conde her family. Now people they ask say if really she say make you advertise her product and you know like the things where she say make you do about the products, what make you go collect 10 million naira from her? If you give you condition and terms of condition to do the adverts where you hear what you know like, not be to tell and say come.
Yes, so I don't do it.
Yes, after all, you be the wife of a billionaire. 10 million naira not supposed to be big money for your eye.
Exactly.
So now to carry and give them back. After all, now you buy chocolate and whiz beads of $5 million, $10,000. So you're not supposed to be money. Number one, now the question where people they ask why no return the money. Number two, Wetin be this Kayanmata? Make we even come to the beginning. Jaruma now, very, very successful celebrity, making money, businesswoman, buying house, living in Dubai from selling of Kayanmata. Wetin be Kayanmata? Kayanmata na herbs, be Kayanmata na juju. You can also feel join us on top of this conversation. If you do on top WhatsApp, the number is 080-9597-5808. Wetin be Kayanmata? What would you hear about?
Okay, originally I feel say Kayanmata supposed to be waiting go enhance sexual pleasure
Yes.
between man and woman.
Okay.
Wey be say the woman go use am to make sure say her man go enjoy her well.
Like drugs, like roots, like herbs.
Go enhance am.
Look-
And then over time, make I say the thing come begin to dey evolve, dey go different kind of things come dey enter inside. We come dey get the ones where they come dey add little a sprinkle of jazz.
Because wetin be the work? Wetin the things where we dey hear say Kayanmata they do.
They do, yeah.
If you put am for eye, if you look the man.
Of course, they get different grades. They
Yes.
get different grades and different level of Kayanmata from wetin we dey see and how the so-called people wey dey do am dey advertise am.
Yes.
You get one wey go tell say go wear am for your waist. You get one wey go rub for your eyes. Go put for your tongue. You get one go rub for your
If you
body.
put am
as
for your
cream.
tongue, if you tell the
If you
person
talk
something,
to the man,
he go-
anything wey you tell the man to do, the man go do. This same Jaruma don advertise one day on top her page where she talk say all these small girls wey be say every time they complain say your boyfriend no dey give you this, your boyfriend dey stingy, you no dey give you money if you ask am money.
Yes.
She get product wey be say if you use, they no bond the man well. All you need to do na to put am for your tongue, tell the man something, and e go drop surprisingly. Few days after, because I follow that post, I dey really interested to understand how
this thing dey
the
work?
level of jazz with this one.
Yes.
Surprisingly, few days later, people screenshot of messages from people say, "Oh, thank you, Jaruma. Oh, my stingy boyfriend be say before na 10,000 they give me, 5,000 they give me, but now 500k trip to Dubai, trip to Paris, shopping on top this same Kayanmata."
So Kayanmata dey legal for Nigeria. Something where somebody go use and tell another person wetin be no dey mind that the person go do am. Kayanmata. So Nigerians, husbands, everybody dey okay with Kayanmata. I go like maybe make I pick one or two calls. Make we hear if this na wetin Kayanmata they do. Maybe some wives where they even say their husband they look outside. Maybe not be the man clear eye self. If Kayanmata fit make Jaruma rich and popular and people they use them they
That make I tell you something before say Chiboy. Imagine that the man will be saying his eyes away there outside.
Yes.
Imagine how many girls don't use Kayanmata for one man.
So maybe the man don't even know when he collect phone number. Maybe the man don't know what they push him. A man when if he drop 20,000 for a wife to cook for house,
No,
go to give woman 2 million.
The man know when he collect the number, but how to come out now? Nine problem now. Maybe I say don't collect the number. Kayanmata can hold
And I
am there.
ask you again. So this thing they legal for Nigeria.
If the authorities know they say anything about it, that means we are safe to say it's legal.
Wow. Okay. I'm going to take one short call before we go this break. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Chibaba.
Yes. So good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. This is Ifoma from Sule.
All right. Tifoma, would they hear you?
Chibo, I dey follow this matter. Yes, you see, this two they pay me where is Nadana will say. As a husband rich, and the husband they very educated, very learned. Why you allow that girl to do that kind of thing? You see,
No, but I don't understand too.
You go bring it up for her, make it take the show. After you can't take that one back.
Wow.
Yeah,
Ah,
part of the agreement so they supposed sign. Yes.
part of the agreement.
Yes.
Why she go
Yes.
involve herself into that? Before they give the agreement, you have to read it now.
Okay.
In fact,
Thank
all
you.
these celebrities, now show that they do.
Wow.
May God help us.
Thank you. Marco got this break when they come back. Wow. And first, we will talk now. Besides that, we need to come back here tomorrow. We'll continue this matter tomorrow because the way we supposed to carry this matter, we'll not get enough time. Just 4 minutes now before we enter inside Aquarium Girls Comedy Hangout time. Messages were there here. Somebody say, now wow, ladies and women have really used this Kayanmata to drain so many men. They say they don't use it and destroy so many marriages, so many men. You say there is one that ladies wear now, blue eye, is bangle, it's for favor. Any man or woman where then they would go always favor them, he go like them.
Whether the man like them or not,
from Surili. Say that they call them blue eye. Say na bangle. The man go just they like them, they do anything.
Like eye
yes,
symbol.
I don't see that thing, but I don't know say na wetin it be.
Na blue eye, yeah.
Hey God. All right, so somebody say good evening, Chiboy. I beg spell Kayanmata for us. I Koto from Ikorodu. Now the spelling might be the problem. Somebody say so something like Kayanmata day for this country, Chiboy. You say yet some organ some leaders day for position. So if that kind of power they Nigeria, they never use them. Fit to do another thing. All right, so and this one say good afternoon was BFM. Ada. Really, somebody say Kayanmata supposed to be like roots, like herbs, things we go make woman body, make man enjoy them. But if we don't begin to hear say Kayanmata get the one way if you put them for mouth, if you lick them, you go tell somebody that one no be roots again, that one no be that one no be medicine again. This one na juju.
Yes, now make us when I talk about it, I say a sprinkle of jazz and juju don't they enter inside because if the original purpose of Kayanmata no dey again,
yes,
they don't they do the one we say if you rub am for eyes, if you look the man,
yes,
the man more like commanding self, the man anything where you tell
him
like
to hypnotize or
exactly.
to jazz.
So jazz don't enter inside.
So wetin come make authorities keep quiet? Is it legal for Nigeria say somebody go use juju on another person
openly?
Yes.
So they advertise them on the social media. He dey there.
She dey popular, followers
dey expensive.
Yes, and na big money. See that beads now. Where is Regina Daniel? 500,000. One bead.
For just
that is to show you say the money where you use you go get them back times 10 or times
9 be the motive because
for you to buy
for you to invest that kind of amount for ordinary waist bead.
Yes.
Meaning say wetin you go get after you wear the waist bead.
Chocolate. So if she pay $10,000, 5 million, 3 beads 9 be so maybe the chocolate whether 9 be 3.5 million.
Yes.
Chocolate. So what did that imagine what they bid they do to chop them. Now another question when I get be say Regina Daniels, God bless you, we love you. This one not just question, not be in any way to disturb you or your career or anything. How you agree to advertise for Jaruma, assuming say for your as you talk for social media, say they use her product and you vex, you and your husband they vex, say they talk saying that the product we use now it works so tell now arrest her. But you ready to advertise her products to your millions of fans. So you, Regina Daniels, if you know they use them, so you feel say it good for other ladies where they support you, will like your movies, will like your life. You say you want be influencer, you want influence, make ladies go they buy. They use on their boyfriend, they use on men, they use on sugar daddy, or they use on any man where they see. But they vex. You know they use them.
Now you make one veteran come outside say make they arrest people where they influence things where they use, and I solidly support that movement. And again, what to make me feel so Regina then they paranoid because say her name come like say they drag her name along with happen for her marriage. We be say her co-wife come up for the marriage. Come like say immediately she use Jaruma product, you can't use her pursuing co-wife. If say that thing no happen, I know she say this begin, you know go they hear this argument. You go be say Regina Daniels don't influence Jaruma product and they don't do business and they don't move on.
Wow.
But because of this matter wey happen now, because she can't try to buy her name back, make it not be like say, oh, my meeting with Jaruma, now make my co-wife they come off for house.
Would go there back here by 4:00 tomorrow? Ada will join us again. We will continue this talk from where we stop. We will give her a chance to make our calls to talk in. How free, how comfortable we dey for Nigeria to know say Kayanmata exists and say a man beyond in wish they fit make it drop money or make it do wetin in wish to
but come to think
do.
Of it, Chibo, I think most of the men like it because I don't see comments and WhatsApp screen messages where they say, oh, the Kayanmata product make my woman down there was soft.
Do you know how easy day for me to get people to use the accounts? If I give you 50, if I give somebody 20k, you go talk anything one want make it talk. Do you understand? So from what they see for Jaruma to they use the products and to need to advertise in people where they do good work, better work supposed to advertise itself. But Jaruma ready to pay 10 million for somebody to advertise,
to influence her
to influence. So is it that because good thing they broadcast itself like a man of God when they do miracle? Now the members of the church go they call their people say come. By now Jaruma not supposed to do adverts. If that thing they work as they say it they work, people you go tell your friends, you go save your friend marriage, you go tell your people say I use them see. You understand? So for her to still use 10 million they find who go tell people say they work. So if you fit pay 10 million for Regina Daniels to advertise, so what more about tweets or chats or text message?
Just screen grab, say
oh now people they talk am. She fit even pay women. There's money. And in Nigeria, you can pay for anything. You should pay for people who go come. They shout for that police station, say free Jaruma. She work for us. Is it adverts? We don't see celebrities where they advertise slimming tea and not be waiting slim them.
Nobody slim them.
So that is supposed to be fraud because you make millions of people to go they buy product and not be that product they work. So you go do your own surgery for body. You can't do fat reduction. They go suck fat, melt fat for your body. Then you go just come for Instagram, for social media. Hold one packet of one slimming tea. Say this product made me so slim. Then millions of Nigerians go they buy them.
Product. Meanwhile, nobody you they use.
When they come back tomorrow by 4 o'clock, and we'll go still go back, Regina Daniels, Jaruma, Ned Nwoko, we talk about the whole drama where they happen on Top TruTalk. For now, make we enter inside Wazobia Comedy Hangout. Good evening, Ada. Thank you so much. Say you join us on top this one.